What is up, you guys? It's your girl Amanda. I go by Mandarin here on my social channels. Welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber. If you're not yet subscribed, I like to do beauty and fashion videos, so it helps me a lot if you go ahead and hit subscribe if those are the videos that you like to see. Today we're going to be talking about unclaimed baggage. No, not our emotional unclaimed baggage. Today we are talking about airport thrift shopping. So a little background information on what today's video is about. I actually saw somebody else make a video about this and I was like, that is so interesting yet kind of sad. Basically, this brand called Unclaimed Baggage is based in Alabama, and they have an actual like brick and mortar thrift store full of stuff that people have lost at the airport. So their baggage got lost, and I guess you have like 90 days to retrieve your baggage back from the airport. But if they can't find you or get it back to you, they basically sell it in this huge thrift store. And I guess recently they just started their online store, so I actually was able to go ahead and buy some of these items from their online store. So a lot of the items I have today actually still have the tags on them. I guess if you think about it, like if you go on a trip or something, you might buy something on the trip or you buy something before the trip. So there's a lot of brand new clothing and it's like marked way down, and some of these brands are really expensive. They even have luxury on the website. Actually even saw somebody's wedding dress and it was like rare find, and it's like, wow, that must have been somebody's nightmare, and now you can buy her dress. So I decided to buy a few items on the website that were either brand new or in good condition to do a little fall thrift shopping. Since I am in Michigan and it is going to start getting colder here soon, I thought let's get some nice pieces, since this is just such a weird and different way to go thrift shopping. You guys might notice I'm a little cozy, a little more relaxed looking today because I'm going to be trying on these items, and also I'm going to work in a little bit, so you know, wearing a mask, I don't be doing the most out here for real. So here is what the box looks like. Obviously I got quite a few nice items. You can see here it says unclaimed baggage, discover lost treasure from Scottsboro, Alabama. So I've seen some videos of people actually going to the brick and mortar store, so that would be pretty cool to go thrift shopping. It seems like they have like a million things to pick from, and even the website was pretty exciting to look on. You can even search by brand if there's brands that you like, and there was even shoes in like different sizes. So I'm not sure if they have like some sort of like deal with certain brands where they sell like stock or something from other brands. I don't really know, but apparently this is all lost luggage, so let's just get right into it. So first you open it up and you do have your receipt, and I also got a little sticker, which is cute. All right, this is actually the best item I got. I'm just gonna show you it first. This is a suede jacket, I believe, suede or leather. It's really soft. It is from Blank NYC. I got an extra small, so hopefully it will fit. And it is this really cute moto jacket. I will be sure to insert some clips of me wearing it, but as you can see, it literally still has the tag on it, and I will also be leaving up the prices that I bought it for and also the original price. So basically the price that this item is worth is what I paid for the entire box of all the things I bought. So I feel like I got my money's worth just from buying this one jacket because I got it for an extreme markdown. This is a decently expensive jacket, but it's going to be such a nice like everyday fall kind of look. You can see it has like this silver hardware, and it's a nice like kind of brownie beige color, so it's gonna match a lot of different things. Okay, so the next item I got, I actually really love turtlenecks when it gets colder out, so I definitely had to make sure to pick up some turtlenecks. So this is a rose, pinky rose kind of colored, it's coming off a lot more red on camera. It's a pinky rose kind of colored, cute little like turtleneck with sort of a little bit of flowiness at the bottom, and literally the tag is still on this piece from Free People, and look at the original price tag. Like I just don't spend money like that on clothing. As you guys know, I love like purses and different little accessories I like to spend my money on, but when it comes to clothing, I really usually don't invest that much. So this is kind of awesome because I get to have a little bit of a nicer sort of piece in my collection without spending the entire price, and there's still the tag on it, so it's like it just came right from the store. The next piece I got is another turtleneck. I'm hoping this one will fit me because it was a small instead of an extra small, but everybody's sizing is different. This honestly looks perfect. It's just a nice plain black turtleneck. The original price is $50. It's a really nice basic piece for my wardrobe in the fall, so, and the winter I can wear this, so this is going to be a really nice piece, and I got it for a lot less than 50 bucks. So this is the next item. It is from the brand Scotch and Soda, which I hadn't heard from before, but it is a little bit more of an expensive, high-end clothing brand, and this is just a nice, there's just little fuzzies on here. This is just a nice plain olive green, pretty thick feeling hoodie to wear in the winter. And yeah, it's made of like really nice thick material. I don't know if you can see like how thick that is. This looks like it's gonna be really, really warm. So here is the hoodie from Scotch and Soda. It says it's an Amsterdam Blau. I don't really know how to say that, but there's what the tag looks like. I definitely don't own a lot of olive. I actually really like it on my complexion and everything, so I think this was a great buy for me to find. And this brand is bougie. If you go on their website, like, it's expensive, so it's definitely nice to know that I have like something so nice in my collection that definitely was not priced full price. So I'm about to like go shopping on their website after filming this. But I got this in a size small, and you can see that the tag is literally still on the item, just like brand new. So I have one last and final item in here, and it is a pair of Tom's shoes. These are maybe a little bit different than I would usually go for, but I think that the price was right, and these are gonna make such good shoes for the winter time. They have really good reviews. I tried to like look up the actual ones, and look at that. These are literally brand new, and I'm gonna put up the price that I bought them for and what they are originally marked at, but literally the tag is still on them. And I don't know if it's because all my stuff is new, but none of my stuff smells like a thrift store. Like, it all smells, these are like brand new. Oh my gosh, and they're so fuzzy. So there are just these nice Tom's boots, and they're kind of like a shorter style with the really cool embroidery on it. And I think that these will just kind of go with everything and be nice and water resistant for the winter time, because it gets very snowy here, so your girl gotta be prepared. So here are the shoes. I'm gonna do this kind of just like vlog style because I don't know how to show you guys. Here's the shoes. I wear 7.5, and they literally fit me perfectly. I love the kind of like soft lining. It doesn't go all the way through though, like where your feet are. The fuzziness is not there, but I think that this is gonna be really nice. They're really stiff and like thick, and you have a little bit of space from like the material to the ground, so the snow, it's kind of nice having this almost like a platform on there. But yeah, you can tell that they are absolutely brand new. I don't see any like signs of wear or anything, so when they say they're brand new, they're definitely brand spanking new. So that completes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys have ever bought anything from the Unclaimed baggage store or want me to do more thrift shopping type hauls, let me know. I thought this video was really fun to do, and I would actually consider going on the store and definitely buying from them again. And not to mention, they shipped to me within like 5 days, so it was actually really quick coming to Michigan. So if you guys want to check out their online store, this isn't sponsored or anything, but I think that the shipping is pretty quick and the prices were right, girl. So don't forget to also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it today, and leave a nice comment down below. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.